And we go now live to Caracas as this process that we were describing continues before the Supreme Court. Let's look at live images. We are looking at, let's listen to Diosdado Cabello, who is about to give statements.
La primera pregunta, Marco Salgado, Hispan TV.
The first question.
Buenas tardes.
Marco Salgado. Good afternoon.
Conocer su opinión sobre algunos posicionamientos actuales
on current stances of some Latin American countries. President Boric said he is assured that President Maduro cheated, and also in Argentina. He said, Milei said that he acknowledges Edmundo González as president-elect. I want to know your opinion about it. Thank you. Well, at the beginning, it is an activity within the formality of the Supreme Court of Justice, the United Socialist Party of Venezuela, and those spokespersons of the different parties of the Great Patriotic Pole. We all attended the Supreme Court of Justice summons concerning the affair of the electoral process. There we have delivered all pieces of evidence, all documents that the Supreme Court of Justice requested, list of witnesses and everything that we have been requested. And basically all the information has been delivered by all the parties that participated in the elections. Concerning what some governments think about the elections in Venezuela, the elections are conducted by the National Electoral Council of Venezuela, not them. And we have been requesting these misters who are spokespersons of the imperialism. They use them for some things to try to meddle in the businesses that are not theirs. We have demanded them respect because they don't have anything to deem about the results of the Venezuelan elections, which are based. We don't know which. How come they recognize this Edmundo González? Because the biggest cheat is to continue governing, to continue ruling through the principles of dictator Pinochet. Well, from Milei we can expect everything. As he said, he recognized another president. Tomorrow he could say that he recognized other government. Conclusion, Venezuela wants peace, and they shouldn't interfere in our affairs. Thank you. Good afternoon. First of all, I want to ask you if you are willing to publish all the tally sheets as the unitary platform did, and also your opinion about the statement of Maria Corina Machado, who said that President of Panama said that he offered an asylum. Well, also the validation of this process be from independent experts. And well, I challenge everyone, including CNN media, that said here in Venezuela tally sheets are published. When the tally sheets are published, we provide results. In which If someone feels defeated, you have to present evidence. Those are the laws of Venezuela. There are countries in which elections are made by photocopies, and here are requesting tally sheets in Venezuela. We have a legislation, organic law, and general regulation, organic law of electoral processes. Here we have everything in detail, under so much thorough, so much detail, and we wonder, well, the opposition has not polished the tally sheets. Don't fall in that lie. The opposition just posted on a fraudulent website assuming the decision of just posting some documents that they said they are tally sheets, but they don't have signatures of witnesses or IDs or imprints. It is a fraudulent act. They don't have the one who operated the machines, and the signatures are just even. It is part of a fraud, and the opposition chanted fraud, and they said they wouldn't accept results, but those of their own acts are not the Electoral Council's tally sheets. The attitude that we are very clear of the opposition's stance, and regarding the Maria Corina Machado is not in condition of negotiating anything, because she's not even a presidential candidate. Here we have a result that the National Electoral Council provided the winner of elections, citizen Nicolás Maduro Moros, and Maria Corina Machado have to render accountability to justice because of their promotion to violent acts, burning down of schools, hospitals, persecution of leaders, of Chavista leaders, paid off by through criminals. So we must we have already opened a file for her crimes, and regarding Murillo, he's offering asylum. Of course, he is a low spokesperson from the imperialism, and that the chief of the Southern Command gave him the order. Is the attack against our country, and our country will be standing up, and the institutions will be strengthened. And here, coming to the Supreme Court of Justice, the one who doesn't fear, who doesn't owe anything, doesn't fear. If you don't have anything to provide, to deliver, you don't come here. But certain journalists don't ask them anything about that to them. Thank you. Thank you very much to the United Socialist Party of Venezuela. And
quien ha asistido al Tribunal Supremo de Justicia el día de hoy en representación del Partido Socialista Unido de Venezuela, ha exigido el respeto a los resultados como un hecho fraudulento, los documentos falsos presentados por la oposición, por la ultraderecha venezolana. Nosotros con esta información vamos a retornar. We were listening to Diosdado Cabello, Vice President of the United Party of Venezuela, who, as many other representatives of different political parties involved in the July 28th election process, appeared today before the Supreme Court of Venezuela in compliance with the summon of the electoral chamber. Cabello answered questions and highlighted the importance of avoiding foreign intervention in internal affairs, and also to respect the evidence presented before the court and not to fall for media campaigns and unverified evidence falsely distributed in social media.